Suraksha India organization is completing successfully 4 years on the 25th of May 2024, having the offices in KR Puram, Bengaluru, and Sadashiv Nagar, Belagavi and Sai Park, Vijaypura. Suraksha India organization deals with super antique materials, precious metals, financial services, manufacturing, sales and marketing of all types of agricultural goods and services, contract farming activities, trade profit funds and business consultancy for 257 projects, having planned to work in association with 100 GOs, 200 talukas and 500 gram panchayats. We have covered a link of 10,000 farmers in these 4 years. Today on the 25th of May 2024 we are finalizing the list of body members who will on the board representing Suraksha India organization in South India. The team of initial 15 members out of total 50 members is declared today to all the departments for renewal of the business. The list of members is under Shri Santosh Kamath from Uttara Kannada district, Sunila Prabhu from Goa, Gayatri Shenoy from Goa, Aishwarya Kamath from Goa, Kamakshi Pai from Belagavi, Ashabi Mohammad Shafi Sheikh from Uttara Kannada district, Sunil Tadekar from Belagavi, Tibassum Topkhane from Hubli, Vinod Salian from Udupi, Pritesh Patil from Pune, Vani Naik from Harihara, Sumana Naik from Shivmoga, Ati Basivraj KR from Sagara, Girimalla Biradar from Vijaypura and Manjunath KA from Harihara. The remaining list of remaining 35 members will be declared on the 9th of June 2024. Since Suraksha India organization is going ahead towards the agricultural sector initially for expansion in a global market, we have made certain modules in the way of franchisee to have the control over TGE business in their respective areas. We are giving one state franchisee for 50 lakhs, district franchisee for 25 lakhs, Taluka franchisee for 7 lakhs, corporate commission agent for 7 lakhs. Suraksha India organization has the liberty to deal directly and act as a broker for the same. The commissions will be set on different materials and financial services. The firm has been authorized to charge for meetings and dealings. The consultancy charges and processing fees of rupees 7 lakhs will be charged as the consultancy charges. The processing charges of 2% including GST will be charged as an administrative charges and booking amount for the materials and products. If the party comes with the investment or goods to our office point or service point, the processing fees will not be charged. Suraksha India organization can supply fresh vegetables, fruits, dry fruits, spices for the period of next 10 years at a very affordable prices. At present we have our team working in the entire nation regarding the same. We have the source and support from Police, Public Press and Anti-Corruption Intelligence Committee from New Delhi regarding the same. Suraksha India organization is having 3 licenses for different sectors. The worth of each license is kept confidential. We are only awaiting for one trader license and commission agent import-export license from Karnataka, especially from APMC Vijaypura, which is expected by June 2024. We shall be joining hands with all the commission agents and traders for the betterment of the business. All the documents and the license copies were submitted to government departments and Crime News Office in New Delhi. The documents were verified and we have received all the government clearance regarding the same. The official announcement will be done on the 9th of June 2024. Today we can take all the investment on the official grounds and do the payments. We can give the returns of 4 times on the investment of rolling turnover of 100 times in APMC and export tradings as per the dealings and consignments. The investors or the financial funders are welcome to do the investment either in cash or by the way of agricultural goods and services. The investment can be accepted up to 100 crores. We shall declare and accept the funds taken, do the transactions and roll the funds for 100 times and do the repayment of the funds along with profits in the form of RTGS. We had taken all the necessary state government department license, central government department license, import-export code, and ISO certification regarding the same. The dealings and the consignments shall be up to 100 crores on different materials and commodities. The projects are related to agricultural activities. The materials and goods are purchased directly from farmers and will be directly sold to the end customers. The upfront commission will be given to all the members and beneficiaries. Today Santosh Bhalchandra Kamath was called in Sangli in Maharashtra assuring that they will give the investment in cash to Suraksha India organization. In this regard, Santosh Bhalchandra Kamath has travelled from Belagavi at 6:18 am and taken the darshan of Amba Bai in Hapri in Maharashtra and reached Sangli at 10:20 am in Gulmohar Society in Sangli with Manjunath K, Kavita Petemat, Vimadeva and Ravi. We were called by Mr. Sheetal and Mr. Kulkarni to meet some members who will give the cash amount as the investment. The timing was fixed between 10 am to 11 am. We waited till 11 am but there was no response. We started returning back to Belagavi but some people followed us on the way and started torturing and forcefully taken all of us to Gulmohar Society. Mr. Sheetal and Kulkarni know the names of all the members involved in this natter. We have disclosed all the facts to concerned departments in advance for our safety. Since we had the last day of our segment and the members who went with Santosh Kamath has to be brought safely, Santosh Bhalchandra Kamath has kept full patience till the end of the day till 6 pm. Finally all were released and brought safely. Mr. Ravi ran away in between. The amount of rupees 24,000 was taken forcefully by withdrawal from the ATM. The unknown person has taken the amount. We are very thankful for the police departments for keeping a watch on each and every moment. Santosh Bhalchandra Kamath is thankful for our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and Shri Amit Shah regarding the same for permitting us the necessary license. We are challenging to all the public and social media to check and verify all the license given to us and be careful to the fraud, beggars and cheaters who are roaming in the market. We are disclosing the facts from Maraj bus stand at 7 pm too. Press and media and the documentation and certificates are submitted to Crime News Office in Delhi, Akra Man National TV and Karnataka Voice Channel in Bangalore.